Connect the Dots drawing video is an angry emoji. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below to follow along with me, grab your art supplies, and let's draw. So with your marker, you're going to draw a circle all the way around from 1 back to 1 through 16. You could do that freehand, or I'm going to take a bowl because it's the perfect size for my emoji face. And this way I'll get a nice circle doing that. Now we're going to go inside and do some of the face. So starting at capital A, and maybe just a little bit past, we're going to do a curve through B, C, and go to D. And this is going to be the eyebrows, and they're going to be mad, so we're going to do a swoop to create this look. Now we're going to continue from D, E, F, G, and back to A, and this is going to be the eye. I'm going to do it over here because I can see the numbers if I start and go backwards. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Now we've got lowercase letters here, and we're going to follow them to create the mouth. So starting with A, we're curving downwards and then back upwards again. And now we're going to work on a few of the details, and that's just going to be the inside of the eye. So we're going to start somewhere around, I think, B. We're going to start at B and curve out and connect back to C for the inside of the emoji's eye. And the same thing for this side too. And then around here someplace we're going to do that shine of the eye. And from A you're going to actually curve inwards a little bit like this. And then inwards again to L. We're going to do the same thing on this side with E and H for the teeth. And a few extra lines just to make them look really mad. And that's it. Now we're ready to color. I'm only using 4 colors for this entire picture. 2 reds, a gray, and a black. As you can see, I'm already using the black for the eyes and the mouth. The gray is going to be for shadows on the teeth and eyes, and the 2 reds, base color for the face, and then shadows. If you like my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure that you hit the like button. Thank you! Now I take my dark red marker and I'm drawing shadows around the entire face, under his eyes, his eyebrows, and of course his chin. Then I take my gray marker and I add a few shadows for the teeth and in the eyes. If you want to draw another emoji, check out the video on your screen next. Bye bye, and we'll see you in the next drawing video.